Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino S. Now for this machine it was brought back to us because this thing was leaking. We had to replace this three-way valve that you see right here. We had to open up the entire machine. We also inspected the other valves and the hydraulic system of the machine, and we didn't find anything else. So we just replaced this little valve and that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Previously this machine was leaking a lot of water through here as soon as this thing was dispensing water through this side. Also whenever we were using the hot water, this thing would just dispense a bunch of steam after dispensing the hot water. So right now we're doing a standard coffee on the 3 setting of the grinder. We're using fresh ground beans as well. And as you can see, that's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. Great quantity, 2 ounces. As you can see right here. Nice shot of espresso. Hot water, as you can see, is a nice, steady, gentle stream coming out through the one. Excellent flow. And not leaking. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica is ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.